Why Power BI over traditional BI tools? But before that, we need to understand what are traditional BI tools and what was the issue with the traditional BI tools that Microsoft launched Power BI. So the traditional BI tools are MSBI, SQL, Cognos, QuickView, Informatica, SSRS, Spotfire. So what was the issue with the traditional BI tools? They were very, very difficult to use. They involved huge investment and they were not for end users. And I think this is one of the biggest reason when you do not have that, big audience for your tool, they're never going to work. So how traditional BI tools used to work before Power BI? In case we have one head office which has like 5 branches. One branch is using SQL for maintaining the database. Another one is using Excel. Third one is using Oracle. Fourth one text, and fifth is using some other database system. So when at the end of the quarter or at the end of the 6 months or end of the year, you need to make a report. What will you do? You have to export all the data from all the branches. You have to transform them into the same version. Like either it should be all SQL or all Excel or Oracle or text or others, so that the data becomes comparable. We can combine, we can consolidate the data, and then we have to load it. So what will happen? It's going to take a lot of time. Second, your data is not giving you real-time insights. So in case some issue happened, like for example, at the 50th of a month, 15th of a month, then you will get to know about that issue after that quarter when you will analyze the data. So that is affecting your business. You are not getting the real time issues and then you are not looking for the solutions. So this is the reason Power BI helps you a lot. So what are the benefits of Power BI? Because it's giving you real time information, it boosts your productivity, you gain a lot of sales and market intelligence. The results you are getting are very, very close to your goals, and you gain insights into the consumer behavior. You get your return on investment a bit higher, and you are turning your data into the actionable information. So in case you notice, all these points are based on a single fact that Power BI is giving you real-time information. Because you have real-time analysis in front of you, then you have these benefits handy. And what are the challenges Power BI helps you with? In case we compare it with Excel, you do not have long VLOOKUP formulas. You do not need to go ahead with VLOOKUP in Power BI. In Power BI, data modeling replaces VLOOKUP. So when we would be looking at the practical part, we would be covering this. Excel hangs a lot when your files are large, but there is no such issue with Power BI. There is no sort filter issues. The presentations are not static. These are very, very dynamic in Power BI, and charts are quite advanced, very advanced. So whenever we would be jumping to the practical part, I would be covering the advanced chart, and we will try to analyze the data using a lot of visuals, different visuals, so that we get good insight into the advanced charts. So what are the capabilities of Power BI? Basically, it has machine learning. When we would be jumping to the practical part, all these factors would be covered, that how it supports, how it uses machine learning. It provides you the mobility. I already told you it has cloud-based model. So you do not need to carry your data everywhere. You have that cloud. You save your data on cloud, and from that cloud, you can access your information from anywhere. The analytics part is quite advanced. The cost is very low. So on the face, you can find it costly, but when you compare it with other analysis and visualizations tools, you will find Power BI much cheaper. It has a lot of customizations options, and the most important factor, quite user friendly. So these are the components of Power BI. In Excel, all these factors work separately: Power Map, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View. These were introduced in Excel as add-ins. But what happens in Power BI, all the factors are working together. When we click on something, all the 4 things are happening together at the back end. So these are the components of Power BI using which this app has been built in. So how Power BI works? It aggregates the data, it analyzes the data, visualizes the data, and then finally you can share your information. So these are the 4 steps going behind when you are working on the Power BI front end.